why is the Ganges almost over? Because the glacier is melting 1,000 times faster than it was predicted to melt. So it's already gone in by about 5 kilometers. Now it's happened. Now in today's news, you have seen that the Alps have got no snow this year. As the Alps get no snow, Europe gets no water. So it's already upon us. So when we use language like, oh, in 2050 it's happened, nobody for a minute believes A, that they will die, but 2, that they will ever see 2050. Strangely enough, both these beliefs exist in our minds. So if we could say, we are already in the middle of the climate change, we're done, we're finished. It's not only the polar bears who are hanging about in little islands. We are hanging about little islands. If I get 7 million Bangladeshi refugees per year, because Bangladesh is going down, because it's a coastal area, then my life is already over. How can euro can fail today, the rupee tomorrow. How can I stop revolution in my country? How can I stop anything from happening if I'm absolutely inundated with refugees? So what are we talking about? The quality of life is already over. Now it's just life we're looking at. So if we would change our language and realize that we are where we are, right in the middle of it, then perhaps people might work with more urgency. Secondly, if we stop data collection for a little bit and just get on to action. 3, if we stop COP17, COP20, COP92 and just do it as countries, realizing that we are in the middle of a crisis and each country has to deal with it, whether legislation or force or persuasion or what, and call a moratorium, for God's sake, on population building. Instead of giving incentives to having a 5th child, as so many countries still do, and just say, okay, for the next 5 years, we will all not have children, and let's see what we can do with our resources then. We'll have to do something. The point is nobody's doing anything, because we all think it's still in the future. The day New Orleans died should have been a wake-up for everybody. The fact that Japan has let radioactive water swish about, and all of us are covering it up instead of noticing the huge amounts of fish that are washing up. If we notice the 400 black holes in the ocean caused by just urea, and the US and India being the highest urea users in the world, even that we haven't stopped.